Good evening, friends, and welcome back to the homestead. So I just got home from town and I want to show you what I found while I was in town. I found some catfish.
Those are good ones too.
Yeah.
What are they called?
They just said regular catfish.
Oh. There's some that are blue. Oh, they're beautiful.
Are they?
Yeah. But I caught them at San Dimas.
Yeah, they were only 75 cents each.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Yeah, go drop them off.
Heck yeah.
We'll be ready for them.
Oh yeah. Stay. Alright, so I'm gonna head over to my cousin's property because we do not have a pond on our property, but he does. So let's head over there. Alright, so I'm up at my cousin's property and we are behind the house where the pond is. Pond is right there. Alright, let's go ahead and get these fish into the pond. This is gonna be different. This is gonna be a little difficult. The pond has definitely, we haven't had much rain in the last couple months and it has really gone back quite a bit. Let me show you. Alright, so I'm gonna set the camera down somewhere and I'm gonna find a good spot to go ahead and put these fish. Alright, so there's a spot right over there where I can walk over there safely and probably rest the bag in the water for a little bit so that it can acclimate to the pond water. So I'm gonna head over there and let them sit for a little while and then I'm gonna go ahead and let them in. I should have brought different shoes because that is all mud. So I am going to try to go to that side of the pond and see if I can safely get over there and maybe put the fish in over there because I can't get too close to the water right there. It's just all mud. All right, I made it back. That was fun. So that was 25 catfish that I went ahead and put into the pond. Now they said that these catfish will be ready sometime in spring for fishing. So I'm hoping that they will do good and they will grow and not get eaten by the big catfish that is in here. My husband and the boys have tried to catch a huge catfish that lives in this pond. My husband has caught it, but it got away and he said it was massive. So I'm hoping they do good. We will see in spring when we come back and try fishing. All right, so while we're over here, we're gonna go ahead and check on the stain and see how the porch looks now that it's had a couple days to actually dry. All right, already I can see on here that I definitely need to come through and redo it. In some spots it's darker than others, so I definitely need to redo that. The steps look really good. Let's see how the porch looks. All right, so I still feel that you can see the difference between my aunt when she stained it and then when I stained it. So I don't know if it's a difference of I used a paintbrush, she used a roller. So maybe I need to come through and redo this side again. I'll try using the roller this time and see if that helps make it look any darker and actually match that side. But all in all, it looks good. The main thing is that we wanted to go ahead and get this protected because we noticed last year it looked like brand new wood. And this year when we came out here, you can tell that the weather had really started to warp it. So we wanted to get it protected and looking nice before any more damage happened to it. So at least we know now it does have a stain on it and it's protected from the weather. All right, so I guess I'll head home now. But yeah, that was a super fun find. I happened to be at Tractor Supply and they were parked out in front of Tractor Supply selling. They had all different kinds of fish, and I know for sure catfish is something that my father-in-law likes, and it's something we like to catch. I don't eat fish, but they love fish. So I went ahead and got those ones and left the other ones. They say they come back again in spring, so I'll probably come back in spring and buy some more to put in to the pond to replenish what we take out if we end up getting any next year. So yeah, it was super fun. I'll probably head out to Tractor Supply tomorrow. The guy said that you don't need to feed them because it's already the end of the season, but I think I might get 1 bag of catfish feed tomorrow just to put in there, just so that they have feed to last them until spring of next year. So let's head home.